This video is an unedited, uncut vlog made on the Majestic Princess to tell you about some of the daily activities you can take part in on a sea day. There are plenty of bloopers here and a glimpse of how we make vlogs behind the scenes. Watch and be amazed, or something. Well, you'll see.
So, have you ever wondered what a sea day like? So, do you wonder what a sea day on a cruise ship is like?
I do.
Well, we're going to tell you some of the things to do on the sea day on the Majestic Princess cruising in Alaska. So before lunch, there is plenty to do. We're going to start with some of the unhosted events, such as bridge,
And mahjong play.
knitting, and crafting.
How about that, y'all? Oh,
I don't like that. Okay, let's start over. And I'm not going to look at the camera because I can't put my glasses on and look at. So you say that and I'll say that.
okay. So on Sea Day, we have some great events starting here on the Majestic Princess. Some are unhosted and some are hosted, but they begin at 9 a.m., starting with the bridge and mahjong play.
Crafting. I'm not even going to say it because I can't fucking say it right.
The knitters and knackers.
How about Speedy's Sudoku Challenge or the fruit and vegetable carving?
And the pickleball play.
Now I want you to talk. Don't get long-winded with this, okay? But this enrichment thing. There's
Okay.
several ones throughout the day.
All right, at 10 o'clock, we have an enrichment program to find out more about Alaska.
I want to say the name of it, Glacier.
Okay. At 10 o'clock, we have an enrichment program called Glaciers Everywhere.
That's better. Want a little bit more activity and a little bit of excitement? How about champagne hula hooping?
How about that? And then you got watercolors in the piazza.
And then there is always some type of shore excursion. There's always some type of shore excursion presentation. So if you've not booked your shore excursions yet, or if you have booked your shore excursions and you want to know a little bit more about them, that's the place to be.
Or maybe you want to go do some shopping. They've got a ship, shop, and schmooze event on Deck 7.
Well, we're coming up on lunchtime, so what better way to start lunch than the Flair bartending show?
Oh, and don't forget, you got that jackpot bingo going on.
So now we've had a little bit of lunch and we're ready for the rest of the afternoon. So let's start off with some line dancing or some shuffleboard.
Or maybe you just want to go get registered for the art auction that's happening later today.
If you want to find a little bit of your childish side, how about the paper airplane competition?
And there's another one of those shows down in Princess Theater that tells you about the whales.
And how about something you may have never heard of? Carpet bowling. That's right, carpet bowling.
Or, you know what, go check out the shuffleboard tournament. Have some fun.
If you want a little bit more chill, how about that grapevine wine tasting?
Oh, yeah, wine tasting, you know it. Also, you got the Bubble and Beauty Essence event. Go find out how to make yourself more purty.
So, there are still activities going on in the afternoon from 5 o'clock all the way till late night. And I mean late night, meaning 1 and 2 a.m.
Let's start with some trivia, though. Have you done your trivia today?
How about a cocktail experience or ballroom blitz dancing?
Oh, you know it. Let's go check out. Or you can go up there to the cocktail place and find out how to make the cocktail of the day.
How about just chilling on the deck watching the movie Under the Stars?
Oh, you know it. And then later on, we got a production show in Princess Theater, and this one's tonight's going to be called Encore.
And if you've not had enough of that gambling, how about musical bingo?
Oh, you know what else it's time for today? Some live music. Live music throughout the ship.
And if you've not had enough for the day, how about hitting the evening performance in the theater?
That's right. And then we also got some more live music. And if you don't want to just sit there and listen to the live music or dance to it, you can go be part of karaoke and sing to it.
Or the yes and no game show.
Or the Paradise Lotto draw. That's right. Get your lotto tickets, y'all.
So we hope that this has given you a little bit of information about what to do on a C Day. There are plenty of activities all day long.
And we did not name them all, y'all. We just jumped around on what's on the paper.
If you enjoyed this video, how about giving us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel? We would really love to have you as part of the Sea Lake Journey crew.
That's right.
Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.
Make sure to check out our other vlogs on our Alaskan adventures.
And all that other stuff, too.
If you would like to support this channel, please consider becoming a member. Or hit the super thanks icon below. We really do appreciate it. Until next time, we'll see you around the channel.
See you around the channel.